Translating word problems. Many subtraction problems begin as words instead of numbers. Word problems are just number problems wearing a disguise. Certain phrases are signals that subtraction is needed. The word minus usually means subtract directly in the order given. For example, 9 minus 4 literally translates directly to 9 minus 4. Now, the word difference usually means to find how far apart two numbers are by subtracting. For example, the difference of 20 and 8 translates to 20 minus 8. The phrase decreased by means to subtract the given amount. For example, 31 decreased by 6 means we start with 31 and subtract 6 for 31 minus 6. The phrase less than needs special attention because it often reverses the order. If we say 5 less than 18, we do not write 5 minus 18. The phrase means start with 18, then take away 5. So the correct expression is 18 minus 5. The phrase subtracted from also reverses the order. If we say 7 subtracted from 22, the 7 is the amount being taken away and 22 is the starting amount. So the correct expression is 22 minus 7.